What Apple has created here is hands down the best laptop for creative professionals that we've ever tested. In the past, people have criticized Apple for putting design over functionality, which led to previous MacBooks coming with a paltry amount of ports, just so that they could be thin and light. The good news is that Apple hasn't just been listening to its customers, but it's embraced their feedback. So, the new MacBook Pro 14-inch comes with a great selection of ports, including 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 1 HDMI port, an SD-XC card slot, and a MagSafe 3 port for fast charging. By aiming the MacBook Pro 14-inch squarely at professionals, and leaving the thin, light and svelte design to the more mainstream MacBook Air, Apple has made a device that's arguably more niche, but far more successful. This means for many people, this isn't going to be the laptop for you. It offers a level of power that most people will simply never need. And with a starting price point of $1,999, it will likely be too expensive for most as well. However, if you need this kind of firepower for editing 8K footage, then you simply won't find a better laptop. Not only has the internals had an upgrade, thanks to the new M1 Pro and M1 Max chips, but the screen has been overhauled as well. It's now larger than the 13-inch model, and is now a Liquid Retina XDR display featuring Mini LED technology. The Mini LED technology is the same found in the new iPad Pro, and it's just as impressive here. If you're working on photos and HDR video, your content is never going to have looked so good. ProMotion technology is also included, which offers refresh rates of up to 120 Hz, which can be adapted depending on the motion of the content on the screen. Battery life has also been drastically lengthened, and can now hit 17 hours, which is remarkable for a workstation laptop of this caliber. Not only that, but the MacBook Pro 14-inch continues to churn through complex tasks even when on battery power, rather than throttling performance as with other laptops to preserve battery life. This is where Apple's control over the hardware really pays off, as it's allowed the company to fine-tune the performance and power consumption to end up with a powerful laptop that can outlast and outperform the competition. A boosted 1080p webcam and studio quality microphones round out the improvements Apple has added here. These are particularly important in this day and age where a lot of us are working remotely, and it all adds up to a truly impressive professional laptop. If you're a creative professional looking for a new laptop to work on, then the MacBook Pro 14-inch is the best laptop you can buy right now. We give it 5 out of 5 stars. Thanks for watching our video review of the new Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch. You can find the full, more in-depth written review on TechRadar.com right now.